Hey guys, welcome back. Russell Linville here. This is a Smart Start Sunday. This week I want to talk to you guys about meal prepping. This is something that my wife and I have struggled with for sure. And I just want to put this out here before we dive into meal prepping. I'm not a registered dietitian. I don't counsel people on diet or anything like that. But I do know some basic principles of nutrition for performance and, all the stuff that we get taught as strength conditioning coaches and the basic stuff we learn in PT school and all that stuff. So get that out of the way. To talk about this for a Smart Start Sunday is really about trying to give actionable goals or tell you stories in my experience that's worked for me and my wife. And I also want to hear from you guys. Maybe you write in the comments section how this has worked for you. But meal prepping is one of those things that it's really hard to do up front because you spend a lot of time out of, typically what happens is you spend one day of the week. You make 5 or 6 meals in bulk for that week, and then you delegate it into, essentially you have food containers that you delegate it into, and then each day that comes along, now you have your lunch for the day. Now you might have your dinner for the day. And for my wife and I, we have an 8-month-old little boy. He's just starting to crawl, and we got our hands full. So by meal prepping, it has really saved us a lot of time. She leaves early, I get home late. And so by having those meals already prepared, we just have to heat them up or mix stuff together or whatever. It's a very quick and simple thing to do. We've done all the work on the front end, and on the back end, now we get to eat real quick. We still enjoy the food. It's still very tasty, but it allows us more time to spend with our family rather than cooking and trying. There's a lot of stress around that when you don't have meals prepared and you got a lot of stuff to do. So what I'm going to do is, something that's helped us is on Amazon, and this is not, I don't get paid for this. This is not a paid sponsorship. On Amazon, there are these meal prep containers that we've tried a couple different ones, and I'm going to put the link to the one that worked the best for us. And so you can try it. That's something that you can buy if you want and try it out for the week. It makes things really simple, really easy. And the whole point of these Smart Start Sunday conversations is to try to give you, again, steps that you can take in your week to make you more efficient, more productive, live a better life, become a better human. Shameless plug. And so that's what the whole goal of this is. If you have ways that you have been successful with meal prepping, or you want to share some recipes, we'd love to hear from you. You can drop some comments in the obviously the comments section below. Or you can email me, and I'll write them in the comments section. We'll try to share some of those things. And again, we'd love to hear from you. My name is Russell Linville, Sports PT, Smart Start Sunday. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. Subscribe if you like these videos.